I'm re-rimming an excavator's sprocket. Before I show you the process, let me just explain why I'm doing it. This is the original final drive, and the other side's final drive is not the same. It has a different PCD and more holes. 2 of the original sprockets were ordered, but that's not going to work. So I need to fit the outside portion of this sprocket to the inside flange of the old one. So here's the process. I started by removing all the parts I need to work with. This is the outer piece of the sprocket I need, and now I'm cutting the inner flange of the old sprocket I need. I got the 2 parts I need. Now I can start machining. I bored out the new sprocket so I had a smooth finish, and I machined a chamfer for welding. This is how it looked after machining. And there's the chamfer put for welding. Next up is the flange portion. This old sprocket is broader than the original sprocket. So I'm machining a step on this flange portion, so once it's bolted to the final drive, the outer piece of the sprocket sits in the correct position for the chain. Here's the chamfer for the welding and a step to locate the correct depth. It's now time to fit the 2 sprockets together. I made it a tight fit, so I heated up the outer sprocket portion to expand. Once the inside diameter was big enough, I fit the flange. All that's left is some welding. The sprocket is already hot from heating, so I'm going to get some good penetration with the welding. That's one side complete, time to do the other. I was so bummed with what's about to happen next. I ran out of welding wire so close to the end of the weld. I wanted to get a perfect weld, right round. But anyways, I put a new roll on and continued. The welding still came out alright, I suppose, and this was the end of the job.